Now, let's break down each of the 10 rules of Stoicism. These rules are practical, and I'll give you some real-life examples on how to implement them in your daily routine. First up, we have the idea that you should focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot. This might sound simple, but it's a game changer. For instance, if you're facing a work deadline, instead of stressing over whether your boss will be pleased, focus on doing your best work. Next, we have the concept of gratitude. By practicing gratitude daily, you can shift your mindset from what you lack to recognizing the abundance in your life. Trust me, it's all about perspective. Moving on, let's discuss the importance of living in accordance with nature. This means understanding that life has its ups and downs, and accepting them as part of the journey. Think of it this way: when you're stuck in traffic, instead of getting frustrated, remind yourself that it's just a part of life. Another rule emphasizes the power of your thoughts. Your perception shapes your reality, so train your mind to see the silver linings. As we continue, remember that the most impactful rule often comes down to focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot. This can be a true game changer in your approach to challenges. Imagine facing a tough situation, like a breakup or losing a job. Instead of dwelling on the loss, channel your energy into self-improvement and growth. Take this moment to learn about yourself and what you truly want in life. By embracing these 10 rules, you can cultivate resilience, inner peace, and a more meaningful existence. Stoicism isn't just about enduring life's challenges, it's about thriving through them. So, if you want to lead a more fulfilling life, start incorporating these principles into your day-to-day. If you found these Stoic principles helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on personal development and philosophy, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're planning to implement Stoicism in your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.